Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So students, we are back again with a very good question. Students, here is the description of our courses which we are providing. If anybody is interested and wants to enroll for it, you can visit our website www.quantifiers.in. Students, we also have a Facebook group where regular questions are being posted for your practice. You can join this group. The link for this group is given in the description. Okay, students. So I hope all of you have must tried this question. Now let us look at the solution. So students, now there are couple of methods of doing it. See, one method of doing it is that you can solve it manually. Now manually I mean to say is uh, 3x plus 5y is less than 120, and it is given that they are positive integers, right? We are looking for positive integers. So now see, you can solve it in this way that let us assume that x is equal to 1, right? Because smallest possible value which x can take will be equal to 1. So students, now if x is equal to 1, we'll get 5y, is less than 170. So students, now from here we will get many values of y. यहाँ से हमारे पास y की values आ जाएंगी which will range from 1 to 23. So students, now you can see if x is equal to 1, right? Y is equal to 1 to 23. That means 23 values are possible, right? Or 23 cases are possible when x is equal to 1. Similarly, if I put x as 2, so then I am going to get 6 plus 5y is less than 120, which will give 5y less than 114. Now students, in this case, y will range from 1 to 22. Now there are 22 cases possible. And now if I put x is equal to 3, so in that case we'll get 5y is less than 111, which will again give us the same number of cases as above, that y will lie from 1 to 22, and this will give us 22 cases again. Now students, here you can see the problem is we are not getting any specific pattern. जब x की value 1 है तो 23 solutions आ रहे हैं. जब x की value 2 है, we are getting 22 cases. When x is equal to 3, again we are getting 22 cases. So students, now you could have solved it in this way if you would have got any proper pattern. But now as we are not getting any proper pattern, so students, this is not the best possible solution for it. So now students, I am going to discuss a very important concept here, which will be used for this specific question and will be very handy. So now students, now I'm going to discuss a theorem which is known as Pick's theorem, right? Name of the theorem is Pick's theorem. So first of all, let me explain you. So students, Pick's theorem says that area is equal to I plus b by 2 minus 1. Right. Now let me explain you when to use this theorem. So students, basically this theorem is used when the question is based on a graph. So graph based question agar koi hai, let me make a graph. So now students, 3x plus 5y is less than 120. So let us make graph. As you know, this is a straight line. 3x plus 5y is equal to 120. This is a straight line. हमें यहाँ पर दिए 3x plus 5y less than 120. So I am drawing the straight line from for 3x plus 5y is equal to 120. Now this is a straight line. So students, from here I can say that if I put x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 24. So यहाँ से मेरे पास एक पॉइंट आ जाएगा. So if x is 0, y is 24, let us assume this point is 0, 24. And similarly, students, if I put y is equal to 0, so can I say from here I'll get x is equal to 40? So यहाँ से हमारे पास एक और point आ जाएगा that when x is 40, y is 0. Now students, we have already got 2 points, right? And if I join these 2 points, so I'll get a straight line. So graph will be something like this, right? Now students, you can see most important point is that we are looking for positive integer values. तो x और y जो है वो positive होने चाहिए. X and y, both of them are positive and they are integers. So basically, what can we say from here? This means that these points x and y, they will be lying in the first quadrant, because first quadrant ही वो है जहां पर x और y positive होंगे. So it is also given that 3x plus 5y is less than 120 and x and y are positive. Students, हमें basically वो वाले points निकालने हैं which are lying inside this triangle. I hope everyone is getting what I am saying. जो फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में पॉइंट्स लाई कर रहे हैं हमें वो निकालने हैं. And it is given that 3x plus 5y is less than 120. So that means we are looking for those points which are lying inside this triangle. So students, now I'll tell you how to apply Pick's theorem here. So student, Pick's theorem says that area is equal to I plus b by 2 minus 1. अब इसको हम कहाँ अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एक बारी वो देख लेते हैं. Students, first of all, you can apply this theorem only for those figures which are made by straight line. Only for those figures which are made by straight line. So that means figure can be a square, figure can be a rectangle, right? It can be any figure, but it should be made by a straight line. Then only you can apply Pick's theorem. Now students, I is the integral points. I is the integral points inside the figure. And students, B is what? B is the boundary points. Basically the points which are lying on the boundary, or you can say on the circumference. Okay? But students, please remember the boundary points are also the points which are integral, right? Integral points ही लेने हैं आपने boundary points भी. Okay. Now let us come to the question. So students, from here you can see we can find the area of this triangle. We can find the area of this triangle because this length from here till here, this is 24 units, right? I'll write here this is of 24 units. And similarly, from this point till this point, the length is 40 units. So students, एक length है 24, एक length है 40. So from here we can find the area of triangle. So area of triangle will be half into base into height. So एक side है 24 और दूसरी side है 40. So this will give us the area of the triangle, which comes out to be 480. So students, पहली चीज हमारे पास आ गई, area will be 480. Students, please remember we are looking for I. हमें I निकालना है. I is the integral points inside the figure, and this is what I told you in the beginning. We are looking for those points which are lying inside this figure. So students, now if we will calculate B, अगर हम B को calculate कर लेंगे तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा. Now let us calculate the boundary points. So students, now you know this point is 0, 0. So students, from 0, 0 till 0, 24, ये 25 points हैं. So do not make mistake. Do not consider it to be 24. Number of points are 25 from 0, 0 till 0, 24. And now if I talk about the points on the x-axis, so from 0, 0 till 40, 0, 0, 0 से लेकर 40, 0, these are how many points? These are 41 points. Now students, let us come to this line, which is 3x plus 5y is equal to 120. Now let us look how many points are there which are lying on this line. So students, this you should know how to calculate it. Remember, we are looking for only those points which are having integral values. Now can I say if x is equal to 0, y will be equal to 24? This will give us the first point. ठीक है, अब आगे आई गेस आप लोग को पता होगा, if you will increase the value of x, if you will increase the value of x, y is going to decrease, right? And I hope everybody knows that x will increase, it will increase with the coefficient of y. X will increase with the coefficient of y, whereas y will decrease, it will decrease with the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x कितना है? 3 है. तो अब जब भी x की वैल्यू बढ़ेगी 5 से बढ़ेगी and y की वैल्यू डिक्रीज होगी, it will decrease by 3. So y will be 21. So students, now this pattern will continue. Next value will be x is equal to 10 and y will be equal to 18. So students, obviously no need to write all the cases. A last case would be obviously when x is equal to 40, and in that case y will be equal to 0. Now students, just look at this. How many values are these? So students, from 0 till 40 with a gap of 5, right? There is a gap of 5. 5 से लेकर 40 तक 8 points है, right? So this 1 point when x is equal to 0 is also included. तो हम कह सकते हैं 0 से लेकर 40. This is an AP. You can apply the formula of AP also. This will give you 9 points. This will give you 9 points. So students, now if we talk about this line 3x plus 5y is equal to 120. So from this point till this point, there are 9 integral points. There are 9 integral points. So plus 9 आ जाएगा यहाँ पर. Now students, one more step is here, which is required, that when we considered these 25 points, we considered these, I'll write it here, these are 25 points. From here till here, these are 41 points. And if I talk about this line will give us how many points? This line will give us 9 points. So students, you can see each of the vertices, each of the vertex wala point jo hai, each of them is counted twice. Each of them is counted twice. So ये भी 2 बारी count हो गया, ये भी 2 बारी count हो गया, ये भी 2 बारी count हो गया. So we need to subtract them once. So basically these 3 points, they are counted twice. We have to take them only once. So that is the reason I'll subtract 3 from it. So students, now this will give us the boundary points. Now students, if you solve it, this comes out to be 25 plus 41, that is 66 plus 9, 75 minus 3. These are 72 points. So students, ये हमारे पास b की value आ गई है, which is 72. So now if I put b is equal to 72, and now students just solve this equation, you will get 480 is equal to I plus 72 by 2 minus 1. So from here I'll get 480 is equal to I plus 36 minus 1, that is 35. यहाँ से students हमें I की value मिल जाएगी, which comes out to be 445. 445. So students, 445 is the answer. I hope students आप लोग को ये concept अच्छा लगा होगा. So students, if you like the video, please do share it with your friends and do subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone.